Hello students, welcome to today video classroom. Subject Computer Science, paper Programming in C++. In previous videos, we have studied operators and data types. So now today we are going to write some sample programs in C++. So if you take any programming language, you will write a simple program, how to find the sum of two numbers, write that program. So generally here in C language and C++ also, the program process is same, only way of reading the data and way of displaying the data is different. Here for reading the data we use Cin object. For displaying the output, we use cout object. For reading, Cin. For displaying output, cout. So these two objects are available in a iostream.h header file, so that we should include the #include iostream.h. So we are writing a program to find sum of two numbers. For that we have to include the iostream.h. Then you have to start void main, then opening brace. So to find add two numbers and the result will be stored another number. So we require the three variables. Assume that these three are the integers are declared int a, b, c. Next, what we have to do? We have to display simple message, enter two numbers. Enter two numbers. So this is a message to be displayed. So whenever we want to display some message on the monitor, so we have to use object called as a cout object. The cout object use an operator called as a insertion operator. So what does this insertion operator? The string on its right side will be inserted onto the monitor, so that the output is enter two numbers. So that the string enter two numbers should be enclosed in the double quotation, and before that we have to write the two less thans, before that we have to write the cout. What it means? So enter two numbers, this string will be inserted to the monitor, so that this is an object, this is a output object. Cout is a output object. Wherever you want to display the output, we have to write the cout. Next, coming to read the two numbers. To read the two numbers, generally in C language we have used the scanf function, and also we have used the formatted strings. But in C++ it is very easy to read the two values simply by using Cin object, and we have to use the extraction operator, and then we have to use the variable name. If you want to read two variables, and again we have to give the another extraction operator and that another variable name. So that Cin greater than a greater than b. So if you want to read the two numbers, you have to give that. For example, if you read the only one number, Cin greater than a is enough. A means any variable name. Okay, so I read the data read chesam. Next in output ichamu, data read chesam, then we have to find out the two numbers. C is equal to a plus b. The statement C is equal to a plus b same as in C and C++. A language lo naina ade vidhanga rastam. Endukante operator all languages lo arithmetic operator is the plus for the addition, assignment operator is the is equal. Next, what we have to do? Once we find the sum, we have to display the output. So what output you have to write? Sum is equal to, then, so for example, C అనే వేరియబుల్ ఏదైతే వాల్యూ ఉందో ఆ వాల్యూ ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే కావాలి. సో ఎట్ దట్ టైమ్ we have to display two things. One is the message and one is the value of the variable. One thing is the message. What is the message? Sum is equal to, and also we have to display the value of the variable C. At that time we have to write cout object and less than, and we have to write the message, that is in the string quotation, double quotation lo message rasund. Again you have to give the less than and the variable name you have to write. So this is a program for to find the sum of two numbers. Okay, so I also given a program to find the simple interest. So here we are reading the variable point, principal amount, time, simple interest, and r is the rate of interest. So enter the ask the user to enter the principal amount, time, and rate of interest, PTR. See here, P is an integer number, T is also integer number, but R is a float value. So they are both are different data type. Even though they are reading different data type, the way of reading is the same. ఏ డేటా టైప్ అయినా సరే ఒకే విధంగా రీడ్ చేస్తాం. బట్ సి లాంగ్వేజ్ ఏంది, ఇంటీజర్ అయితే పర్సెంటల్ డి, ఫ్లోట్ అయితే పర్సెంటల్ ఎఫ్ అలా యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ కంట్రోల్ స్ట్రింగ్స్ అనేది ఉండవు. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఏ program to find out the simple interest. Now we'll see another program to find let's see. Let's see, the program is to find area of a rectangle. See, this is an area, this is a rectangle. So this is a length, this is a breadth. So we have to find out area and perimeter. We have to find out area and perimeter. How to write the program? So first, header file include iostream.h iostream.h. Next, void main. Next, variable names you have to declare. So how many variables you are declare? One is length, and one is breadth, one is the area, one is the perimeter. So for this for purpose we require the 4 variables. So assume that they all are the integers. So int l b a p. Next, what you have to do? So simply I would ask you, what is the value of length and what is the value of the breadth? So that means we have to display a message on the monitor. What message? Enter length and breadth of rectangle. Then double and close, semicolon. So only this is the message I am displaying, only double quotation, semicolon close. Double quotation తో క్లోజ్ అవుతుంది. మెసేజ్ మాత్రం డిస్ప్లే చేస్తున్నాం, డబుల్ కొటేషన్తో క్లోజ్ అవుతుంది. ఆటోమేటిక్గా ద సేమ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ విల్ బి డిస్ప్లేడ్ ఆన్ ద మానిటర్. దెన్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా ద యూజర్ విల్ ఎంటర్ ద లెంత్ అండ్ బ్రెడ్త్. సో సిఇన్ ఫర్ రీడింగ్ ద డేటా, సిఇన్. హౌ మెనీ వేరియబుల్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రీడ్? 2 వేరియబుల్స్. సో 2 greater than L. Again another 2 greater than B. Then simple. సో ఫస్ట్ లెంత్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తాడు, తర్వాత బ్రెడ్త్ ఎంటర్ చేస్తాడు. నెక్స్ట్ ఏరియా, ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ఎ రెక్టాంగిల్ L into B. Perimeter is equal to 2 into బ్రాకెట్లో L plus B. చుట్టుకొలత. So this is a formula. So for in C language or C++, Java, whatever the programming, the formula is same, but only reading the data and displaying the output is different. Next, what we have to do? Cout. Less than, we have to display the message first. What is the message? Area is equal to, that is the message. Then give the double quotation, then less than. What we have to display? The value of A. Again, less than, ENDL. ENDL is also an operator that will bring the control to the new L. ENDL means end of the line. Next line lo we have to display Cout. In the next line we have to display perimeter. Perimeter is equal to, again less than, and what is the perimeter variable? P. Less than ENDL. Okay, then we have to close this closing braces. So this is a simple program to find out the area and perimeter of a rectangle. See, if you read the 2 variables, C in greater than L, again greater than B. For example, find the area of a square. Area of a square means we need only one thing, that is the side. So we have to read only one variable. Say for example, variable name is S. What do you have to write? C in greater than S. That is enough. No need another greater than. Okay. So this is a program to find the area of a rectangle. So like this. Okay, all of you clear. Again, create this program. The same program in node material లేదు. ఈ program మళ్ళీ రాయండి, మీరు రఫ్లో రాయండి. Then the homework is write a program to find area of circle. Area of circle. What is the formula for area of a circle? Pi r square. How to write? What is the pi value? What is the pi value? 22/7 into r into r. What is the 22/7? So what is the value by 7? Divide the 22/7, write down that value and r into r. So this is a formula to find area of a circle. I given the formula. Now write the program and send to my personal number. Okay, students. So in the next class we'll go for the control structures. Okay.